Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Today's video is a DIY video. Today I am sharing a homemade skin whitening cream, which not only help you in skin lightening, but also make your skin spotless and glowing. I have used all natural ingredients in it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Ingredients. Ingredients required for this remedy are tomato, lemon, aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil capsule, rose water, almond oil or olive oil, saffron. Method. Add 2 glasses of water in a pan, and then add 1 tomato and 1 lemon into it, and start boiling it. When it starts boiling, then put it on low flame, till water remains about 3 to 4 spoons, then blend this into a blender. And strain this mixture, so that you will get smooth paste, in a cream-like consistency. Then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 2 vitamin E oil capsule, half teaspoon of rose water, and half teaspoon of saffron powder, and add half teaspoon of almond oil into it. Mix all the ingredients very well, and your cream is ready. Apply this homemade night cream on face at night, and leave this overnight. When you wash your face next morning, you'll notice that this cream has made your skin smooth and soft. If you use this regularly, then it will make your skin white, bright and glowing. It will naturally control your blackheads and minimize open pores. You can use this on your hands and feet. Precaution: don't use coconut oil in this remedy, because it can clog your pores and can cause acne. This cream is not for acne-prone skin. If you have acne-prone skin, then avoid using this cream. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, then do share and like video, and hit the bell icon for notification, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.